My wife asked me to fix her Max Mara leather belt. It has a specific pattern and it is very dear to her, so why not? As you can notice, the belt is in terrible shape, and the leather has cracked practically on all the notches. Using just the glue will not do the job, because the only thing that's holding the belt together is the upper leather layer that is still intact. So the solution I came up with is to use a thin strap of scrap leather that I'm later going to glue to the belt. With a pen, I'm marking how much of the leather I'm going to need. With a craft or scalpel knife, cut out the desired strap of leather. Using the glue for leather, I'm trying to reach all the cracks in the leather first. Once we have dealt with the cracks, we spread some more glue over the area where the strap is later going to come. Let the glue dry for a few minutes before pressing the strap to the belt. I'm using a lot of spring clamps for pressing the leather layers together. I'm also using some scrap leather to make sure the clamps will not leave any mark on the belt. The glue has dried and we can remove the clamps. Nice! The belt already looks much better. No cracks are visible and the belt looks much stronger. With the hole punch tool, we are going to make some holes in the belt. By using the sandpaper, you can work on the edges and make sure the surface is uniform. We are almost there, but first we should dye the leather strap we have glued to the belt. I'm using some leather dye and a simple brush. My belt is black, so it was easy to match the color. And we're done. The strap that we glued to the belt is practically barely noticeable, and we have strengthened the belt that could surely be used for years to come. This was an easy project, but I'm glad I'm done with it. My wife is happy, and as they say, happy wife, happy life. Until the next time, have a good one.